Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you really quick. I got I'm going to show you how to program a metal tool for the staff menu, so that you can force hide staffs, cut away staffs, that kind of stuff. So what you're going to do whenever you want to program a metal tool, you want to make sure that whatever menu that you want the meta tool to be in or be present in is selected first. So if you want the uh, force hide staff, if you want that kind of command to show up, you have to click the staff menu, and you see all these little boxes, these little rectangles that come up. I'm not sure, maybe I can blow it up so you can see. But you see all these that that blow up here, that these little squares. There's one next to the label, and then there's one on the staff itself. Okay, and you can see that sometimes it'll actually go blue. It'll highlight blue. So let's say this is selecting the staff right here. So let's say I wanted to basically all the staves from B flat trumpets 1 and 2 down to the end of the score, I want to basically get rid of. Well, first, staff tool is selected, so you're going to have to click Shift to program a meta tool. So you're going to click and hold Shift. Then I'm going to say H for hideaway, just for an example. And it's going to come up with apply staff style. Apply staff style. This is what you need to get here. And then you can actually program the H to do number 12A, which is force hide staff. And it basically cuts it away. So you have all of that. So you're going to say OK. So now, from now on, now that you've actually programmed the meta tool, and meta tools are kind of like key commands or shortcuts that you can program in Finale. Those are really helpful and really fast. So I recommend using those. But now that you've done it, let's say you put Shift H for the meta tool command. Now you're going to click, make sure your staves are selected that you want to hide away, cut away, and then you're going to click you're going to hit H on your keyboard. See how they just go away? All right. So if you wanted to just do that, you can do that. And then if you needed to do a score system divider, you can actually go like this. Select all of this. Let's go ahead and do a second page first. Let's go ahead and select all the trumpet through the end. Okay. And now we're going to click H or whatever key you decided to use. Make sure your staff tool is highlighted. There you go. See how you do that? And then you go up to plugins. So let's say you want the score system divider. You're going to have to go under scoring and arranging. And right there. So this is where you want to be at the end. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to take these. We're going to take these with the staff menu still selected, and we are going to select them. Make sure your staff menu is still selected. That's the key. Keep your menu selected. Don't. If it goes back to the pointer, put it back on the staff menu. So scoring and arranging under plugins is what you're going to go in. And then you're going to go score system divider. Then system divider dialog box will come up and it will say, do you want to do all of the staffs or the staff systems? Do you want to do the current ones or do you want to do selected ones? So I'm going to do selected ones. And we're going to have to find, we're going to have to find what system this actually is. 1, 2, 3. Systems 3 and 4 on pages 3 and 4. So we're going to want to go here and we're going to want to go back to scoring and arranging. And then we're going to go here. Go back to the score system dialog box. Selected, and I'm going to go 3 and 4. And I'm going to adjust them just a little bit. And click OK, see what it does. Okay. So sometimes you have to play with it a little bit, but at least you can actually program meta tools for these. When you click undo, it doesn't automatically undo all of the lines that or the staffs that you deleted. You have to click Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z again and again until it's done. But usually you save score system divider for the end when you're done with everything. But you can also go back to staff view and go like this. You can take your top staff or staffs and you can go like this. You can take those, make sure your staff tool is selected. Staff tool is right here. And you can do this. Oops. Let's see. Go to Shift D. You can actually do that. You can actually go and define it as well. And this is how you would define the different settings. Staff, you can change the staff that appears. You can change any of these that have dashes in them. So, but I'm just not going to mess with that right here. I'm just going to go, okay, I'm going to program this to be collapsed, the staff. So if I'm in the staff menu at any time, now I can click D and the staff collapses. But will it collapse all the staffs? No. It will only collapse the ones that you have selected. Okay, undo. And are we back? Yeah. Let's do one more. H. Let's make sure we select our Shift H. And if I wanted to, I can go in here and try to see if I could do the score system divider again. Let's try between staff systems and boundaries. Go 3 to 5. And usually it does it, but sometimes I have to keep playing around with it. But this, to at least get it to collapse the staves, this is how you do it. So let me go back here. Let's see. Current. Okay, so you've got all these. So basically, this is how you're going to program the meta tool to actually collapse the staves. All right, so hopefully this helped. I will be doing more soon.